So this is our typical emissive master material, but there is one problem with this. If we create a material instance and apply this material instance in our lamp, let's change the value and tint as well. Let's increase the intensity. So you see right now this intensity looks okay with current exposure value, which is 1, but if we decrease it to like 0.5, 0.2 or something, the glow effect on the emissive material gets reduced as well. So to avoid this, here is a pro tip: add a divide node after the contrast and add eye adaptation and plug this into the emissive color. Now let's apply and save. And now if you decrease the exposure value, the glow effect stays the same and you don't have to go back and forth and adjust intensity and the exposure values. If you like this video, then I'm sure you will like this series. In this 3-part tutorial series, we'll take this cafe scene and transform it into a stunning cinematic masterpiece together in Unreal Engine. I'll guide you through every step, sharing pro tips along the way, and to save your time, I'll timestamp the sections and pro tips down below.